Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create QR code for contact in your iPhone. So open phone apps. So at first create a contact, click on to create new contact, press on to done. Now save. Okay, go back to open shortcut apps, click on this option to search here make QR. Okay, selecting this to select add shortcut. Okay, now I'm already at this, so cancel. So click on, then showing you to make QR code, select add contact to find recently add contact. Okay, and then showing you to QR code, just you can easily share to your friend. So that's it, that's how you can do it.